What's up, boys? Last drift event of the season, well, for Lock City, and it's a full road course day, which is unreal because we haven't had one all year, which means we get to drift literally the last section of the road course onto the circle track. So it's like the longest, fastest drift on this whole track. E30, even though it's, you know, a little M52, it's shown that it's quite the tire slayer for what it is, and now we get to really extend it past the bridge, and it's gonna be an awesome day. So I'm excited to see some tandems on the road course with this thing, so I think you guys will be surprised. So stick around, watch. I'm really excited, and more importantly, today is RJ's first drift event with his brand new car. Are you excited? You nervous?
I'm both. I'm nervous, excited, anxious. I want to get out there and give it a shot.
I think RJ's gonna do great. He has his S52 318 Ti. It's really set up. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna stop talking because I haven't slept in 4 days. It's gonna be awesome. Sick. Let's go.
It's gonna be great drift day.
The full road course isn't open yet. They're gonna open it up once everyone gets used to it. It's cold, and so everyone's car is acting a little bit different than we're used to. The E30 never had an issue understeering until, of course, once it's 20 degrees outside. So we're working through it. We're got the hang of it, and then soon we'll be doing some tandies and having a good time. I mean, we're already having a good time, but
we're always having a good time.
Well, I mean, like, good time, you know. So, all right, let's fucking drive. I suck. What is this? Look at all this smoke.
That is definitely a lot faster.
A lot faster, huh?
Oh, a lot faster.
That run sucked, but it's alright, we'll get the hang of it, dude. We're gonna drift now under the bridge. We were wondering why we were just driving. Yeah. Oh, we get to go all the way around. Oh wow, things are getting real. Oh, wow, boy. This is a big corner. Oh my god.
This is gonna be fun as fuck.
I'm so pumped.
Love this.
Okay, I guess out of nowhere, it's now time to drift a full road course.
That's fucking sick.
It looks so dope.
This is gonna be really cool. I'm psyched.
Oh my god. All right, we gotta carry a lot of speed under the bridge. It's a long turn.
Yeah, dude.
Wow,
this car feels so good. This is my first ride along in here.
Really?
Yeah, dude.
This is your first ride along?
In here.
How crazy is it?
Dude, this thing fucks. Like, so sick.
No way, I didn't realize it's your first ride along.
Yeah, I've never been in this thing before. This thing's rad.
Does it make you look at your E30 differently now?
Way differently, but I don't have that money.
Damn. All right, that was a shit lap, but it was still real fun.
So much fun, because there's so much speed.
Let's go again.
Fuck yeah!
Oh my god.
That turn is nuts.
Oh my god.
That's the longest right-hander ever.
I really gotta let it eat right there.
Oh my god, dude, you are letting it fucking bark.
So should we play, like, how much horsepower do I need? Do I gotta bump it up to, like?
It's cold out, so keep that in mind.
Alright, I'm gonna go for an extra 20 horse, aka 10 PSI.
Just to get through that straight.
Yeah.
Good idea. Hell yeah, dude.
That's such a blast, dude.
Dude, that's so fun.
So much drifting, I love it.
You're fucking nuts. Oh my god.
We got close to the wall that time.
I was gonna say, dude.
That was really close to the wall.
Did you look in your side mirror?
It was really close. I was like entering and I was like,
this is hot,
this is hot, yeah.
Oh, that was fire. That boy crazy. boy crazy. He over here in his clean ass BMW, and he's trying to lay that thing in the wall. Now, I don't know what is on his mind, but he better get right before you get left. That boy clean. Can't lie, that shit clean though. He lucky. Again with that bullshit, trying to wreck that nice ass car. This guy, he done gone and activated the smoke screen. How you get no good picture with all that smoke around that dude? A long shot action, dude. Look at that, dude. Some National Geographic. Here we have Jimmy Oaks and his beautiful E30. This poor car is getting beaten so well, and it just looks so fucking good. Yeah, give us a shoot.
Oh, I'm in reverse. Still in reverse. Where's first?
Jesus.
Yeah, today is about drifting. Filming is not happening too well, but
hey, I'm doing what I can.
You doing good?
You got some shots over by under the bridge.
Yeah, the GPU is hard because it's just like repetitive shit. Yeah, guys, hold me to it. I'm GoProing the heck up for next season.
He's calling himself out so that he has to fucking
So yeah,
buy
so
some.
I'm like feel awkward and I have to do it.
Wait, like I said it in like the end of the season, so like I have to like get it off.
Well, let's use some more tires and get some sick old clips, boys. They shut down the road course for B class to have an hour on.
Yep.
So we're gonna see how RJ is doing, hopefully before the camera dies.
Yeah, I actually see him in grid right now.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a minute.
We got enough time to hike, this quarter-mile walk. Thank God we have a, warm beverage thanks to Patricia!
Everyone covered.
You got Bailey's in that thing?
Oh yeah, you know the deal.
Ooh, good start, RJ. Coming with some sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, he's coming in hot. Yeah, baby.
Let's go!
Wow, no panic.
Let's go!
Okay. Oh, keep it. Oh, it's all right. You know what? The fact that he came in that hot is.
That's what he's doing. That's doing good already.
Yeah, exactly. Because most of C-Class isn't going the speed they need. Get it? Come on, yeah.
He said third gear. Yeah.
Attaboy. Yes. Yes.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, dude. Let's go.
That was great.
No, yeah, he's coming in with enough speed.
Honestly, so the first hurdle of like the skid pad, I guess, or learning to drift is like getting your speed up because everyone wants to enter so slow because they don't realize like drifting feels a lot faster than it looks. Like
100%.
Like way faster, and you don't notice that until you honestly watch some footage of yourself.
Yeah, you watch footage from outside the car.
Exactly.
In the car, you feel like you're
Dogging.
Yeah, you feel like you're going 60. Outside the car, you look like you're going 30.
Exactly. So I think RJ has realized that pretty quickly.
I know that
He's doing great. So RJ, you're doing great, homie.
You're doing great.
We're so proud.
We love you. Keep doing it.
I like how all my friends that have started drifting in the last year and a half have gotten it so quickly, and it took me so freaking long to it was so pathetic, but I'm happy you guys are good.
People have learning curves. You're smart otherwise, though.
just a little slow at the whole drift thing.
But you got it now.
Yeah.
It don't matter.
I think you sell yourself short on that one because all your friends were watching you. For
We've had a good mentor.
years.
We've had a good mentor.
And they're watching
Well, I'm happy to
all
help.
your videos.
I'm happy to take the slag, you know?
Yeah. So you planted the seed, and you also
Thanks, Mama.
showed them what
Mama's
not
always
to
gassing
do.
me up.
You were front line and we were infantry is basically.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
All right, guys, so it happened. It happened. It was my fault, so it's not your fault. It's my fault.
Not yet. We're gonna fix it first.
No, it's okay. I mean, you don't even see it.
Yeah.
So my E30 has an issue where if it's below like a half a tank, you'll actually like cut fuel and the car will like bog down. It happens a lot. Like stock 350Zs do it really bad.
Under half a tank.
And I went to the pump like 3 times today. I don't know if it got worse or what the hell happened. And of course, when I'm leading, the car dies, and me and T-Span were getting
We were close.
We were real close.
Yeah.
I think I hope someone has some footage from me because like
We got in-car footage.
Did
Like,
you?
Abby had
Okay.
video of when I was behind.
maybe I'll
you.
steal it from you. Yeah, because RG had the camera, so I wasn't filming. But I straightened out, and then I tacoed his door.
It's all right. Doors are replaceable.
Doors are replaceable, and since it is a BMW, so I wiped off all his paint, so you can't really tell anything happened. Right here, a little dimple right here. That's fine, a little scratch. But since it's a BMW and they have literally the weakest rear end ever, the whole rear end actually shifted. So I don't know if you guys could see it, but the whole rear end moved over this way, probably like this much. But you know what's great?
What?
My best friend can fix it. So luckily, like this will be easy to fix. Hey, I mean, like I didn't like the paint's not damaged, so like who cares? You can't even tell.
No. We'll be back. Even better.
We were pushing our luck today.
Dude, we like half of the season we did perfect, no issues, and last event we had a little kiss.
I'll
It's
take
all
it,
right.
I'll take it.
Yeah, right. And both our cars still drive, so I can't complain at all.
Yeah, that's a fact. And they still look good. Too.
Yeah, exactly.
At least, you know, his door has better give than that wall you're hucking towards a lot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I was. You know what? I was hucking this at the wall earlier, so whatever.
I thought you touched it, like looking in my mirror, seeing you behind me, I thought you touched it. I'm like, he did not just do that. I just wall tapped, right?
Love it. So.
You had to do it. I'm like, all right, he's doing it. I should do it.
Hell yeah.
You're a bad role model, Jimmy.
Love it. I haven't seen you at all day.
I know. I've been over here the whole time.
I heard you did great.
I think I did pretty good. I think
I saw one lap.
Out of 10, I think I did a 6.
So I saw one lap, and so we were talking about how like one of the biggest issues when you first start drifting is you just don't go fast enough. You didn't have that issue.
I don't have that fear.
No. Good. Nice work, kid.
Thank you.
We're really.
I'm so stoked. I cannot wait for next season.
That makes me so happy.
We're gonna do a little refresh on this, and I'm gonna come out swinging next year.
Dude, the whole gang's
I'm
out here.
so excited.
Gang.
What do you think about this? Listen. All right. Banners, back of the window, right? Your logo with the O, team.
Team Jimmy O.
Team Jimmy O. O team.
Josh, are you out the Team Jimmy O?
Team Jimmy O, yeah, of
We
course.
just gotta make a car prettier first.
Yeah, it's gotta be prettier. We got a lot of, well, this is the last event for me, so she's going away for the winter.
Coming out next season as professionals. Oh yeah, yeah. Professionals.
Unreal. I fucking love my friends, but I don't know what footage I got today. It was a mess. I got footage from everyone's phones and stuff, but it was a great time. I shifted the rear end of my car a little bit, but BL will fix that, and we'll be good to go. So I don't know. I know I missed a lot of it footage-wise, but by far the best tandems of my life, easily, and especially full road course tandems. I would never expect to do that, and especially tandem with cars that are way faster than this car, and it was cool. Very happy. I cannot wait to see how it is driving this car and going to my new and improved S13 next season. It's gonna be ridiculous. I will not accept that this is the last event of the year. I'm gonna miss this car so much. It looks like I'm going to Florida for the winter.
It's not a bad plan.
Adam, get that guest bedroom ready for me because I'm coming, because I don't want to stop drifting this thing. Maybe I'll just go to Cali. That sound good?
Sounds great. Wait, can I come?
You want to come?
Yeah.
All right.
I bet.
And just like that, Lock City's 2019 season is over. Well, I mean, there's an event tomorrow, but it's like, I'm not going to it. How do I do this? Today was sick, missed a lot of footage, but I hope we still got some good stuff. RJ had his first event, he's hooked, which is dope, because usually, like, honestly, you either get very discouraged or you get very excited your first event. It happens all the time, you know? So I'm happy it went in the good way for RJ, just because, like, I want my friends drifting and having fun with me. So I have had 3 hours of sleep a night for the last 5 days, so I'm useless right now and I'm probably rambling on. But thank you for watching today's video. Hope you guys liked it. I'm sorry I hurt the E30. I'll fix it very soon. If I didn't say anything, you guys would never knew. Yeah. So, you know, all right, whatever. Let's get back. It's back to life at the garage. And let's go get food. Oh my God. You like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Mike?
Have an awesome night, everyone.